Isaac Or. The next person I have is Katie Jones. Welcome to the committee. State your name for the record and proceed with your testimony.
All right, Mr. Chair, members of the committee, thank you for the opportunity to testify today. My name is Isaak Or, and I'm a policy fellow specializing in energy and environmental policy at Center of the American Experiment. American Experiment greatly appreciates the A6 amendment because it seeks to limit the Department of Labor and Industry's authority to regulate greenhouse gas emissions and limits that to increasing and optimizing energy efficiency and improving resiliency of new buildings and existing buildings undergoing additions, alterations, and changes of use. We believe this language is a positive improvement over the current engrossment, and we think there is room for further additional clarification to ensure the legislature is not endowing DLI with the ability to regulate how Minnesota families heat their homes. My concern with this legislation, or with this language, stems from the possibility that the phrase increasing and optimizing energy efficiency could be construed as a way to require the installation of heat pumps or electric resistance heating for home space heating applications and potentially ban natural gas furnaces. So heat pumps are impressive machines because they transfer heat rather than generate it. That allows their effective efficiencies to be 3 to 4 times higher than natural gas furnaces. However, heat pumps are not ready for the job of taking over for gas furnaces in Minnesota winters. In fact, the Mitsubishi H2i, which was Carbon Switch's best rated cold weather heat pump in December 2022, shuts off at -13 to prevent itself from sustaining damage. Furthermore, these are expensive units. I got a quote yesterday from an installer for my triplex, and the cost of installing one of these would be $31,000 after the electric panel upgrades that I need to go from a 100 amp service to 200 amp service. And the technician told me that my boiler would still be needed when the temperature is below 25 degrees above zero, right? So it's a supplement, not a staple. Therefore, I'm asking that the committee build upon the improvements in the A6 amendment to explicitly clarify that DLI will not have the authority to require certain heating technologies or ban others as part of future updates to Minnesota's building codes. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you for your testimony. Katie Jones, and then the next is Nick Erickson.